Why do some people gain muscle faster than others? Unlocking the secrets. Ever wondered why your gym buddy seems to pack on muscle effortlessly while you're grinding away with seemingly less progress? It's not just about who's lifting heavier. Let's dive into the science behind muscle growth and uncover the key factors that influence your gains. Genetics play a significant role in determining your muscle-building potential. Some individuals are simply predisposed to having a higher muscle fiber density or a more favorable hormonal profile. This genetic advantage can lead to faster and more noticeable muscle growth. Think of it like this. Some people are naturally taller or have a faster metabolism. Muscle growth is similar. While you can't change your genes, understanding your genetic predispositions can help you tailor your training and nutrition for optimal results. Hormones like testosterone, growth hormone, and insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1, are crucial for muscle protein synthesis. Higher levels of these hormones generally promote faster muscle growth. Men typically have higher testosterone levels than women, which contributes to their generally faster muscle building rate. Age also plays a role. As we age, our hormone levels naturally decline, which can make it more challenging to build and maintain muscle mass. Optimizing your diet and training can help mitigate these age-related changes. Consistent and challenging workouts are essential for stimulating muscle growth. Progressive overload, gradually increasing the weight, reps, or sets over time, is key. Without consistent effort and proper training techniques, your muscle growth will be limited, regardless of your genetics. Are you truly pushing yourself during your workouts? Are you consistently hitting the gym week after week? Consistency and intensity are non-negotiable for maximizing your muscle-building potential. Proper nutrition is the fuel that powers muscle growth. Consuming enough protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats is crucial for repairing and building muscle tissue. A calorie surplus, consuming more calories than you burn, is generally necessary for muscle growth. Are you eating enough protein to support muscle protein synthesis? Are you providing your body with the necessary nutrients to recover and rebuild after your workouts? Nutrition is just as important as your training regimen. Adequate rest and recovery are essential for muscle growth. During sleep, your body repairs and rebuilds muscle tissue. Overtraining without sufficient rest can lead to muscle breakdown and hinder your progress. Prioritize sleep, manage stress, and incorporate active recovery techniques like stretching and foam rolling into your routine. Remember, muscle growth happens outside the gym during periods of rest and recovery. Beginners often experience faster muscle growth initially due to their bodies adapting to the new stimulus. As you become more experienced, muscle growth tends to slow down. Older individuals may find it more challenging to build muscle compared to younger individuals due to hormonal changes and decreased muscle protein synthesis. Don't get discouraged if your gains slow down over time. Adjust your training and nutrition strategies to continue challenging your body and stimulating muscle growth. While genetics play a role, remember that you have significant control over your muscle-building journey. Optimize your training, nutrition, and recovery to maximize your potential. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own progress and celebrate your achievements. Ready to take your muscle growth to the next level? Subscribe to our channel for more evidence-based fitness tips and workout routines. Share this video with your friends who are also on a fitness journey.